Want to protect your brand name before someone else grabs it? Trademarking your name is one of the smartest moves you can make, and LegalZoom makes it easy even if you have never filed legal paperwork before. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to trademark a name with LegalZoom step by step. Start by going to LegalZoom and choosing trademark registration from their business services. You'll enter the name you want to trademark, and LegalZoom will guide you through a basic questionnaire about how you plan to use it, like whether it's a business name, product name, or even a logo. Next, LegalZoom will run a trademark search to check if someone else already owns a similar name. This part is crucial. It helps you avoid wasting money filing for a name that's already taken. They will give you a report so you can decide whether it's worth moving forward. If it looks good, you'll proceed to the application step. LegalZoom's team prepares and files your trademark application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO. You don't have to worry about complex forms or missing legal details. They'll handle that for you. After submission, you'll wait a few months while the USPTO reviews your application. If there are any issues or office actions, LegalZoom can help you respond. For an extra fee, though, remember that once approved, you get federal protection for your name. It's now an officially trademarked name. So smash that like button if this helped you understand the trademark process. Drop a comment if you want a full breakdown of trademark costs or how to trademark a logo next. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple legal guides for your business in 2025.